Russell here again. So today I'm gonna make this real short and sweet. I'm gonna give you 2 dyno runs with the Jackson Racing Turbo Kit completely stock, one in sport mode, one in AT mode. Then after the engine was built, I'm gonna show you what numbers you can expect. There will be 2 dyno runs in AT mode, 2 dyno runs in sport mode, and you can expect a 50% increase in power and 3 times the torque. Okay, so 50% more wheel horsepower, 3 times more foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. Okay, absolutely unbelievable. Okay, so first off, I want to thank Chad and Andy at Dr Powersports in Cedar Falls, Iowa, 2 of the most knowledgeable Honda Talon people in the world. Absolute pleasure working with you guys. Every single second I'm around you, I'm learning something. Can't tell you how much I appreciate it. Okay, next off, Eric at PPEI has to be, in my opinion, the best tuner in the world for the Honda Talon, hands down. If you have any turbo kit or anything, reach out to them. Like if you want to run the Jackson Racing kit and put an aftermarket exhaust on there and you want to get more power, he will actually set your machine up to run right and to run properly with whatever exhaust you want. So hit them up for your tuning needs. You know, if you have the Craftsworks kit, he has a tune out for that as well. So look them up. Okay. Greg at Bell Engines, ordered a header from him to replace the Jackson header as well. So thank you, Greg, for that. And also want to thank Mark at Desert Craft for supplying a great air filter option. So in my opinion, if you have the Jackson Racing kit, throw away the motor mount, turbo support bracket, throw away the air filter, throw away the header, and throw away the flash. And then once you reach out to these people, you will get your kit to the next level. So I will release a separate video step by step on the engine build, and if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Again, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and hope to see you on the next video. And if you have any questions, let me know. I try to answer every single question. So again, thank you for watching. So for this video, one other thing I want to include, keep in mind that this is the same exact Honda Talon. This is the same exact dyno machine with the same exact person conducting the results. So I know every single dyno machine can produce different numbers. See it here all the time. But keep in mind, I think this is about as accurate as you can get. Put the Talon on there with the Jackson Racing kit, take it off, build the engine, put it back on the same machine, same exact tires, same exact everything. So I think these numbers, the before and after numbers, are as accurate as possible.